Apple Resources Private Limited.
Welcome students to an enriching learning journey ahead with Wood Apple Resources. Class 4 Maths. I am your teacher Disha. Here are your friends.
I am Gopi.
I'm Abhi.
Today I am going to teach you Chapter 14, Summer Assignment, Data Handling. The teacher of Class 4 gave the assignment to collect information about the number of wildlife sanctuaries in different states of India. Let us see their conversation.
Students, you all need to work in groups and collect information on the given topic.
Wow! It is great fun to collect such information. And it is a good way to learn about wild animals.
After the vacation, students presented their information.
Which state has the most number of sanctuaries?
Maharashtra.
Good. And which has the least?
Kerala.
Well done.
Sir, what do we call this collected information?
This collected information is called the data. Let's learn more about data and different ways to represent it.
Data. Students, the process of gathering and measuring information is called data collection. The records you collected from different sources in the form of numbers or numeric values are data. Data gives us accurate, exact, and reliable information. We can collect and represent data in different ways, such as tabular form, pictographs, bar graphs, etc. The tabular form of representing data is the easiest way to represent data and put it in a table. Look at the given table. This table shows the number of students who made and exhibited models on different topics during a science exhibition. From the table, we can observe that students have made the models on 4 different topics. Students observe the given table and answer the following questions. What is the difference between the number of students who made the models for animals and industries?
The number of students who made models for animals is 15. The number of students who made models for industries is 8. 15 minus 8 is 7. So, the difference between the numbers of students who made the models for animals and industries is 7.
Good. How many students exhibit their models?
The number of students who exhibited their models is 12 plus 15 plus 5 plus 8, which is equal to 40. So, 40 students exhibited their models.
Well done! In which topic did most students exhibit their models?
15 students exhibited their models in animals, which is greater than all other numbers. So, in the animal topic, most of the students exhibited their models.
Well done! Pictograph. Students, let's learn to represent data in another interesting way. Look at the given table. This shows the scores of 5 students in an online test in the form of pictograph. In pictographs, data is shown in the form of pictures. Let's learn how to read the pictograph and answer the following questions using the given key.
What is the key?
A key is a set of numbers that help measure or show the quantity of objects. A key on the graph shows the numbers or pictures used in the data. In the pictograph, the score of each student is represented by smiley and sad emojis. The key shows that each smiley emoji represents a correct answer of 5 marks, and each sad emoji represents a wrong answer. From the pictograph, we can observe that out of 7 questions, Shanu has answered 5 questions correctly and 2 questions wrong. If one smiley emoji represents 5 marks, then 5 smiley emojis means 5 times 5 equals 25. So the score for Shanu is 25 marks. What are the total marks for the test?
Each question worth 5 marks and there are 7 questions. So the total marks are 7 times 5, which equals 35.
Well done. How many marks did Vanya get?
Vanya got 6 smiley emojis. 6 times 5, which equals 30. So, Vanya got 30 marks.
Fantastic. Who scored the most and who scored the least?
Ruhi got the most smiley emoji and Hardik got the least. So, Ruhi scored the most and Hardik scored the least.
Wonderful.
Wow! Reading a pictograph is fun.
Drawing pictograph. Students, let's learn how to create or draw a pictograph from an example. Look at the given table. This shows the number of lions on different safaris. Make a pictograph of the given information using the scale. One line represents 500 lions. In Tanzania, the number of lions is 3000. The scale shows that one lion represents 500 lions. So, 3000 divided by 500 equals 6. Thus, we will draw 6 lion faces in Tanzania. In South Africa, the number of lions is 1500. 1500 divided by 500 equals 3. Thus, we will draw 3 lion faces in South Africa. In Namibia, the number of lions is 1000. 1000 divided by 500 equals 2. Thus, we will draw 2 lion faces in Namibia. In India, the number of lions is 500. 500 divided by 500 equals 1. Thus, we will draw 1 lion face in India.
Wow! Drawing a pictograph is very interesting.
Bar graph. Whoopi, do you know we can also represent data in the form of rectangular bars?
How can we do this?
Bar graphs are a method of representing data in the form of rectangular bars. With the help of bars of uniform width with equal spacing between them, we can represent data. Let's learn how to read a bar graph table from an example. Observe the given bar graph that shows the number of different food items that Shanu purchased for her. The vertical line of the graph shows the number of food items, and the horizontal line of the graph shows the names of food items. The title of the graph is Items for Breakfast. 1 unit on the vertical scale represents 1 item. Scale 1 unit equal 1 item. Let's read the bar graph and answer the following question. Which item did Shanu purchase in the least quantity? As we can see, the bar of milk is the smallest. So milk is purchased in the least quantity. Which 2 items were purchased in equal quantities?
The bars of the cornflakes and oats are equal in length, which is equal to 9. So cornflakes and oats were purchased in equal quantities.
Well done. How many more fruits did she purchase than eggs?
The number of fruits is 8 and the number of eggs is 5. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. So Shanu purchased 3 more fruits than eggs.
Well done. Drawing of bar graphs. Let's learn how to draw a bar graph from one example. Observe the given table, which shows the population of different countries per square kilometer. Follow the given steps to draw the bar graph. Step 1. Draw a horizontal line OX and a vertical line OY intersecting at O. Step 2. Choose a suitable scale. Here, we will choose the scale 1 unit equals 2000 people, as most of the numbers are multiples of 2000. Step 3. On the OY axis, represent the number of people at the proper intervals from O to 2000, 4000, 6000, 8000 and so on. Remember, the scale that we have chosen is that 1 unit equals 2000 people. So we have written the number at intervals of 2000 on the OY axis. Step 5. On the OX axis, write the names of all the countries mentioned. Step 6. Along the OY axis, draw bars of equal width to represent the population. For Macau, we will draw the bar of a height until number 20,000. For the Monaco, we will draw the bar of height up to 18,000 and so on.
Amazing! I understood it well.
Pie chart. Students, look at the given pie chart that represents the number of students in class 4 who chose different activities.
How can we know the number of students from this pie chart?
A pie chart is also known as a circular graph. In this graph, a circle is divided into sections, where each section is used to compare and represent data. Let's learn how to find the number of students from this pie chart. Observe the given pie chart. Each section of the pie chart is displayed in different colors. Each section represents the part of fraction of students who chose different activities. By observing each section, answer the following. Which activity did the children like the most?
Half of the total children chose dance, so dance is liked the most.
Which two activities have the same number of children?
1/8 of the total children chose the craft, and 1/8 of the total children chose the drawing. So craft and drawing are chosen by the same number of children.
Let's find the number of children in each activity if the total number of children is 80. Dance. Half of the total students chose dance. 1/2 of 80 is 1/2 multiplied by 80, which equals 80/2. After dividing 80 by 2, we will get 40. So, 40 students chose dance. Music. 1/4 of the total students chose music. 1/4 of 80 is 1/4 multiplied by 80, which equals 80/4. After dividing 80 by 4, we will get 20. So 20 students chose music. Craft. 1/8 of the total students chose the craft. 1/8 of 80 is 1/8 multiplied by 80, which equals 80/8. After dividing 80 by 8, we will get 10. So 10 students chose craft.
Drawing is also chosen by 1/8 children. So 10 students chose drawing.
Well done! Students, in this chapter, you have learned about data, pictograph, interpreting pictograph, bar graphs, drawing of bar graphs, and pie chart. Thank you for joining us. Keep learning and exploring with Wood Apple Resources.